'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a little shopping tour with you all. I'm going to take you shopping with me at Kmart Australia. I hope you enjoy.
Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18.
Guys, Kmart Australia is one of Australia's biggest retailers, and they are very, very affordable. They have the most amazing array of home decor, and they recently released a new selection of it. So I thought I'd take you along and show some of it for you.
And I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
There are so many amazing things to find, and they've released a wonderful collection of checkered print, which is definitely my favourite.
Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Now, one of the items that I really loved, guys, was this beautiful chocolate brown boucle ottoman. It retails for $39, and they also released a green ottoman in that boucle fabric as well. And I really loved both of them. Now, some more checkered print was this beautiful arched mirror, along with this side table.
Everybody makes mistakes, 'cause no one can be perfect. It was just one kiss, but that don't justify it. I know what I did was wrong, but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind. It hasn't always been like this. Remember when we were in love? You were always there for me, and we could talk for hours. I don't know what happened to us. Oh, 'cause we bring each other down right now, and I don't even know why. You know, I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Maybe I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind. You will see me walking out the door. It's better this way, you know this ain't working anymore. It's something that we should have done a long time ago. You know I think we should say goodbye. Maybe I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Maybe I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
I feel tears welling up behind my eyes. Far from home, every thought brings me down. Sun still shines, dry my eyes, take a breath. Wash my face, pale and thin. Start again. But I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I wanna go higher, but I'm going deeper. Oh, can you hear my prayer? Tell me, are you there? Who's gonna love me the right way? You're the only one that knows my heart. It's understandable, it's irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's understandable, it's irreplaceable love. So I will keep swimming till you show up, till you show up.
There is so many affordable finds when shopping at Kmart. I especially loved this cake stand and matching tray.
Of the way, tell me that.
Now guys, you've seen me do many a DIY with this beautiful checkered tablecloth, and they've just released it in green and white as well. If you're looking to cover something, guys, I definitely recommend using a tablecloth as your fabric. It definitely works out sometimes a lot cheaper than buying fabric by the meter. Now, you know I absolutely love my baby blue, and I picked up these placemats, guys, a few weeks ago, and they are so inexpensive. They're just $3.50 each, and I absolutely love the pale blue colour.
change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at Kmart Australia.
Ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back Friday morning, guys, at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.
Baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.